Hi everybody, what's up guys? Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to my channel. So today this video is gonna be a question and answer tag, a Q&A, so that you guys get to know me and expect much more on this channel. So guys, let's get right into this video.
Drop it like something for so fine, that boy potential, I don't mind, I'm like, I'm time, oh no, why I say walking time, I don't even want to this time.
So the first question I have here is, what is your full name? My full name is Benedicta Opoku. Yeah, that's my full name. I don't have a middle name, so that's my full name, Benedicta Opoku. And the next question is, where were you born? Basically, I was born in Ghana. I grew up in Ghana, so I'm a Ghanaian. Yeah, in the Western North. It used to be the Western region, but now it has been renamed, so it is the Western North. I was born in Ghana. The next question is, where do you currently live? Currently, I'm in India. I'm studying in India, so currently I live in India. And the next question is, do you have a favorite Ghanaian artist? Yes, I have favorite Ghanaian artist, and Kwesi Arthur is the one I love most. I love Kwesi Arthur's song so much, so he is my favorite Ghanaian artist. And the next question is, name your top 3 YouTubers. Well, I got YouTubers too. I love Infinite List, Reaction Time, and Aziland. Those are my favorite YouTubers, my top 3 YouTubers. And what is your favorite color? My favorite color is maroon. Maroon is my favorite color, and maybe purple. Yes, maroon and purple are my favorite colors. So the next question is, tea or coffee? I'll go for coffee. Tea is not really my thing, so I'll go for coffee. The next question is, who is your best friend? I don't really have a best friend right now, but I got friends. So I don't have a best friend right now, but I have a lot of friends right now. And the next question is, what is your favorite rule in friendship? Well, I don't have a best friend right now. I already said it. So if I get a friend right now, like a best friend, I'll use the same rule I used when I had a best friend in high school. Her name was Faustina, and this was the rule. Whatever I have is yours. Whatever you have is mine. So if I borrow something, if I take something from you, you don't take it back. If you borrow something from me, I don't take it back. That was my favorite rule, and it still is. So if I get a best friend right now, that's the rule I'll be using. So that's my favorite rule in friendship. The next question is, why did you start a YouTube channel? I started a YouTube channel because I wanted to start a YouTube channel. That's why I started a YouTube channel. And the next question is, what was your favorite or worst subject in high school? When I was in high school, I hated maths. Maths was like a clown. I hated it so much. So that was my worst subject in school. And I loved literature and English. So that was my favorite subject too. So literature in English and maths. And what should your friends and subscribers expect from you and this channel? So guys, you guys should expect much more fun, everything educational, everything entertaining. You guys should expect a lot more of everything positive. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. You like this video, you comment down below your ideas and thoughts, and I'm gonna reply to this comment. And I'll post the link of my nail art tutorial in the description so that you guys can go check it out. I tried it, it came out so nice, but I broke a nail, so it kind of looks crazy right now. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.